Welcome to the Pet Stop. I'm Dr. Brian Boynick. Well, Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and while you may be looking forward to a big feast and the festivities that come along with it, well, there can certainly be holiday hazards that can affect your four-legged friends. So joining us now is this week's veterinarian, Dr. Heather Loenser, and she is from the American Animal Hospital Association to talk about it. Good to have you on again.
Thanks for having me back.
My pleasure. Well, in the short amount of time we have, let's give some tips on some of these hazards.
Absolutely. So let's divide it into three categories.
Okay.
While we're preparing, when festivities happen, and then dealing with the food.
Perfect.
So over on here we have a good reminder when you're using string to baste your turkey, wrap things up. My goodness, dogs and cats like to eat that.
Huge problem.
And then it ties, it ties intestines up in knots afterwards.
Yeah.
So keep anything string-shaped away from your pets for sure.
Especially after cooking, when you cut it off, it's very delicious tasting to these pooches.
Exactly.
Good point.
And then when you're decorating the house, you want to be really thoughtful about what you're bringing in. I have beautiful lilies here, very festive, but lilies are very toxic to cats.
Extremely.
Even just drinking the water from the vase, grooming the pollen off of their fur can cause kidney failure.
Good
so
point.
Keep that away. Now when festivities start, we can have a lot of fun. We're imbibing. We've got some eggnog here, but there could be rum inside that, and also raw eggs that could cause stomach upset. And beer, a lot of fun, but if the dog gets into the garbage and chews up one of these plastic pieces, these holders, it does the same things as a string.
We see it too often.
We do, tying up in knots. Then you've got all these friends over, they brought their luggage, they're staying, but if they're not pet friendly, they may not know to keep it up and away from your dog. So
right.
They can get into medicines, eat razors, get into lotions and that kind of thing. So encourage your guests when they come over, keep that stuff away from your pet.
Advil is toxic.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then when it comes to dinner time, just try to keep your pets away from the food in general. It's so rich, the gravies, the turkey, it can cause a lot of vomiting and diarrhea.
And we also see pancreatitis right after holidays like this.
Which can be fatal, absolutely. So,
keep them away.
And here, this has, it's a fruit cake, it has raisins and nuts in it, and those can be toxic as well.
All right, and board your pet if you can, for a day or two. You'll avoid all of these problems, and have a great holiday. Here's what we've got.